Hello YouTube, let's try this again. Let me see if they got the package I ordered. Okay, looks about right. This is the alignment kit for the rear of my Ford Taurus. Let's see what we got here. Looks like everything is here. Basically, you got the backing plate and the 2 bolts that you put in the back. Basically adjusts for the toe, and the toe is a little off of my car since I lowered it, and that's to mount the plate onto the back. Here's a diagram of what it's supposed to look like. So basically, should be a simple, straightforward installation. Got the little instructions. I'll make a video as soon as I have time to put it on. But I needed this done before I got my new wheels and tires. Tires are not cheap, so you might as well spend a little now than a lot later. Until next video, I see you.